boys and girls, I want you to turn to page 72 in your Big Explore, in your big math book. 72. We did page 71 yesterday. You want to do on Monday. Today, you want to do page 72. If you ripped it out, it should be in your math folder, but you need to be on page 72. If you don't have it, then make sure you have a piece of paper and you're taking notes as we're doing it. I'll go ahead and pause and go ahead and get page 72 out. All right. Seems that we are ready. I'm going to rush through this because, boys and girls, we've been working on this. This is the same thing that we did on Monday. And we're going to do the expression, represent it, and solve it. All right? So, I have 3 groups of 6/10. Okay? And again, I'm just going to do sticks instead of boxes, but you understand. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 6/10. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6/10. So that's 3 groups of 6/10. Okay? If I count that, that means I have 18 tenths. That's a lot of tenths. And I know that 10 tenths equal 1. So I can also say that I have 1 and 8 tenths cakes. Go ahead and pause and make yours look like mine. Moving on, we have 6 groups of 5/10 of cake. Okay? So again, now I'm going to do 6 groups of 5/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 6 groups of 5/10. Okay? If I counted all of these, I would have 30 tenths. Okay? And each 10 tenths is 1. So here's 1, 2, 3. So I really have 3 cakes. Make yours look like mine. Go ahead and pause the video and unpause when you are ready. Moving on, we now have 5 groups of 7/100 of cakes. So if I'm going to create that, I'm going to create it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's another group. And one more group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's my 5 groups of 7. Okay? If I counted them all together, that would be 3/500. And again, because I know that there are, I don't have enough to make up one whole because I would need 100 of those to make up one whole. So my decimal is just going to be 3/500 cake of a cake. Okay, of a cake. So this next question says, how do the representations of the orders demonstrate the relationship between multiplication and division? So how are these models showing me the relationship between multiplication and division? Well, multiplication is the same thing as repeated addition. Okay? 5 times 7 is the same thing as counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, right? And I just realized that I made a mistake in here. Oh, I didn't. Sorry. Haha. So 5 groups of 7 is the same as counting 5 7 times or counting 7 5 times. So 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is 21, plus 7 is 28, plus 7 is 35. So it's showing the relationship that repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication. And if I have more than 10 tenths or 10 hundredths, it tells me that I need to regroup 10 of them right here, make one whole, right? 10 of them make a whole. So I can regroup to make whole numbers. What we are going to do now is you are going to move into your independent practice for the day. Okay? Your independent practice for the day looks like this. You're going to show how to do it. So 0.2, so 2 tenths. So I'm going to color 2 tenths. And I want you to really work on having 2 different colors. So there's my 2 tenths. Okay. My next color is going to be black, and I have 8 tenths. So I'm going to make it so I have 8 tenths. So I'm coloring my 8 tenths. And my answer is going to be this sweet middle spot that both of them are colored. And that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I would have 16 hundredths. I want you to complete this and then turn it into the math bin so that I can see how well you've done. So you can work independently on this one. I am not going to come back on and grade it with you. You're just going to come in and you're just going to complete it, and then your substitute, will have you put it in the math bin. All right, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.